Okay, so everything you just watched, I made all of that. And nope, I did not use After Effects, I did not hire a designer, and I did not write a single line of code myself. I am Justin Wilson, and what I'm about to show you is honestly one of the most useful things that I have learned this year. By the end of this video, you are going to know how to create all of these animations by yourself. Plus, I have one bonus waiting for you at the end. That is for those that stick around to the end. The two tools behind all of this are called Claude and remotion. Claude is the AI. You just describe what you want in plain English and it writes all the technical stuff for you. Remotion is the engine that turns the code into an actual video that you export straight into CapCut. You do not need to understand how any of this work under the hood. You just need to have them installed. I have linked a free step-by-step guide in the description that walks you through the whole installation from scratch. It takes about 10 minutes and you only have to do it once. The reason why I did not include that into this video is because I did not want to make this video unnecessarily long. That just shows you how to install it. This one shows you what it can achieve, what you can do with it, and everything in between. Search bar animation.
Create a search bar animation. In the animation, make the search bar slowly zoom in smoothly, then leave it on for 3 seconds. Then make a cursor blink instead of the word search for 3 seconds. After that, wait 5 seconds and add an arrow cursor animation, clicking the magnifying glass. Then after the click, the entire animation fades to black. Make the search box semi-transparent in this color 057E239.
There is a place where I instruct Claude Code to wait 5 seconds. This is the part where we put whatever we like in the search bar. For extra designing, if you remember in the beginning, this is the one you saw. This is the one Claude Code gave to me. Remember, we can edit our graphics any way we like. This one is the flight path map. I just gave it a fancy name. You can call it whatever you like. It's so good that some templates even try to mimic it. It is a flight path animation, a map, a plane, and a route tracing from one location to another. There are different ways of doing it, so you can put in whatever you want. I'm doing Africa to New York, so just follow. Now type clearly. This is perfect for YouTube videos, in fact any video, and you can actually select your aspect ratio. The numbers are counting, the graph is going up, everything is on point. You even have that little bitty light at the corner that is just beeping that says live. That is classy, premium, and beautiful. It would have taken hours for me to have made this. Now for all three of these, exporting is the same process. Remotion Studio, hit the render button, choose your format, and it exports straight to your computer. Pretty straightforward. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I promised you a bonus for staying till the end. This is the rolling numbers animation. You can put Naira icon behind it, you can put the dollar, you can put whatever it is that you want. And it is honestly the simplest one of all of them. Now type clearly. That is a professional rolling number animation. Like, change the number to whatever you want, change the color, change the speed. Claude will handle everything. And you don't have to speak code English. You can even speak pidgin English. I'm joking. Now, if you want to go deeper, if you want a community of people, you want step-by-step breakdown, you want more techniques, you want to learn together with people, you want to build alongside people, the link to join is in the description. It is on School, it is free, and everything is waiting for you there. Come and join us and ask your questions, share what you make. I genuinely want to see what you create with this. Like, I'm open to learning too, you know. Bye.